Hi friends, a very common question that we are often asked by our students who are preparing for GATE is how to make a trade-off or how to balance between the GATE preparation and their placement preparation or job interview preparation. Again, here their placement and job interview prep could be for a wide spectrum of companies from IT services to top product-based companies. Again, this is a very important question whether you are a BTech student who is in your second, third or final year, or you're a working professional who is preparing for GATE as well as trying to crack job interviews or trying to crack interviews at top product-based companies or better companies than where you are currently. Now, if you think about this problem carefully, again, here is a simple diagram. Here, this circle represents all of the topics and skills that you need to crack GATE. This blue circle represents all of the concepts and skills that you need to crack placements or job interviews. Now, one very important observation here is there is a significant overlap between these two sets, right? Their set intersection is significant. For example, to be able to crack GATE as well as to crack job interviews, you need to be good at data structures for sure, algorithms, databases, operating systems, some concepts in computer networks, surely programming. In GATE, you only have C programming, right? Most importantly, to crack both GATE and placement prep, you need to be good in problem solving. Of course, there is a slight difference in the types of problems that you encounter, but problem solving as a skill is very, very important, right? And of course, there are topics like computer organization and digital logic design that are part of GATE syllabus that are not heavily focused in your job interviews, not much, unless you go and interview for a hardware engineer role. Similarly, for your job interviews or placement prep, there are some additional skills and topics that you need to be good at. For example, it's always good to have a bunch of very interesting projects that you have done. Similarly, you need to know object-oriented programming in your job interviews or placement prep that is not part of your GATE syllabus. Similarly, it's good to know a slightly more modern programming language like Python or Java. And you also need to be good with competitive programming, where the interviewer will ask you a problem and you have to write the code from scratch with good time and space complexity in about 20 to 30 minutes. Again, in your GATE, if you observe carefully, you do have programming questions on data structures, algorithms, but you don't have to write code, right? Here you have to write code from scratch. So the key takeaway here is that there is a significant overlap, but there are also some differences in skills that you need, and there are some additional stuff that you need for your placement preparation in addition to your GATE learning itself. Okay, cool. Now, we have thought through this problem and we believe that it is easy to do well both in GATE and in your job interviews if you have the right learning path and right learning strategy. Okay, so towards this end, our team of mentors, instructors, and most importantly, our advisors from the industry, we sat together and brainstormed, and we designed this new course called GATE Plus Placement Prep. Again, this whole course has been designed very, very carefully by most of our team who have cracked GATE ourselves, and many of our team members and our advisors who have done 1,000+ interviews as interviewers in a wide spectrum of companies from IT services to top product-based companies. So we put in all of our minds and designed this new course called GATE Plus Placement Prep so as to fill these gaps. Remember, so that while you're learning for GATE, you can also fill these gaps and prepare both for GATE and placement prep simultaneously and in a very nice, very strategic manner with a clean learning path. Okay, cool. So now let's try to understand this. In this GATE Plus Placement Prep, you will have everything that we have in our Applied GATE course. There is a detailed video where we explain what is part of Applied GATE course, and we will post that video in the description section. Now, to summarize the whole video, we have 500 hours of videos for the whole GATE syllabus. We have about 6,000 practice problems, a test series. We have our mentorship and live sessions, all of it that are there in our Applied GATE course. So in GATE Plus Placement Prep, you get everything that is there in our GATE course, plus additional content that you need for your placement prep. So let's focus on this placement prep because there is already a detailed video which explains what is there in our Applied GATE course. Okay, so this placement prep is primarily for working professionals and students to crack software engineering roles at a wide spectrum of companies, from top product-based companies, product-based startups to IT services companies. Again, this is suitable for everybody who is there in their BTech from first year to final year, because you can always start becoming good at programming, data structures, competitive programming from your first year onwards, right, till your final year. It's also apt for working professionals who are preparing for GATE and who are also interviewing at a bunch of companies to go into better companies than where they are currently. It's also useful for people who are preparing long-term for GATE, who are dropping a year or taking a career break and preparing for GATE. Because in case they don't crack GATE, they can always use the skills that they learn as part of the placement prep part of the course to crack job interviews later. Okay, cool. Now remember one more very important thing. Even after your GATE exam, one of the two things will happen. You'll either get into a top university or you don't, right? If you get into a top university, everything that we cover in the placement prep is apt, even for placements at top universities like IITs, IISc, IIITs, NITs, etc. So whatever you're learning as part of this placement prep is appropriate. It will help you even after you get into a top university during your placements. And if you don't crack GATE, it will surely help you because you'll start interviewing at various companies, and it will help you crack these companies because you have not just GATE knowledge, but additional knowledge that will help you crack these interviews better. Okay, cool. Now, here is an overview of everything that will be part of the placement prep. I'll elaborate each of them in the next few minutes, but here is an overview. We will use Python as a programming language. We will have detailed video solutions of solved coding problems. We have about 230 plus problems which are solved in detail. I'll explain you how we solve it, all that in just a couple of minutes. We have about 300 plus practice coding problems with a practice platform. Similarly, as usual, like every other course, we have our mentorship and query resolution, and we will have three really interesting projects using concepts that you learn in your GATE. Okay, cool. Now let's go step by step. Why Python? Like we will use Python as the language of choice in our placement prep course. Now why Python? Because it is both simple, it is extremely popular, right? It's also very simple, popular, it's very, very powerful also, to be honest with you. So we will cover Python from scratch to advanced concepts, including concepts like how to build an API from scratch, how to do multiprocessing in Python very well, and things like that. So we will cover Python from scratch to advanced concepts. Obviously, OOPS and other stuff will get covered in this. Okay, cool. Now, the second thing is we will have 230 plus solved problems. When I say solved problems, we will have detailed video solutions for 230 problems. For each of these problems, we will have a solution from a brute force, non-optimal solution to a highly optimized solution with good space and time complexity. We will discuss space and time complexity in lots of detail because for job interviews at some of the top product-based startups and product-based companies, you need to know this very, very well. Similarly, we will explain pseudocode for each of these. We will also have code available for your reference in Python, C++, and Java in case you want to, let's say, write the code in C++ or Java, right? But we'll use Python as a primary programming language. Cool. Now, again, remember, very importantly, amidst these 230 problems, among these problems, you will have a few easy problems, few medium problems, and few hard problems. Again, your easy, medium, or hard might be subjective, but we will try and cover all the job interviews from companies like IT services, like TCS services roles, to TCS digital roles, where there is a lot of focus on the Code Vita competitions that TCS conducts. And again, there is a similar to this at other companies like Infosys and other IT services giants also. To companies like Amazon and Google. So mostly these easy problems are for TCS services or TCS digital and Code Vita like things. These medium and hard will be mostly for top product-based companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, etc. Again, we will cover a wide spectrum of problems from simple arrays-related problems to slightly trickier dynamic programming and graph algorithms. So we'll cover all of that in detail as part of the 230 solved problems. Again, the objective of these solved problems is to explain you how to think of the problem, how to solve the problem given that you've learned some of these concepts in your GATE already, right? So now you'll also have 300 plus practice problems. Most of these practice problems have been picked based on their popularity in interviews. These are very often asked popular interview questions at a wide spectrum of companies. We will also give you a practicing platform with all test cases where you can go write your code, see if your code handles all the test cases, if it is optimal, and all of that you can try it. Again, for all the problems for which you write a solution, you provide a solution, we will also give you a link to all your solved problems that you have attempted, that you have solved successfully, so that you can put that link in your resume. So that your resume gets also highlighted. When the interviewer sees your resume, he knows that, hey, these are all the problems that this candidate has tackled successfully in the past. Okay, cool. Now, as usual, for our placement prep, part of our Gate Plus placement prep course, we will have our mentorship and query resolution. The typical query resolution will be under 24 hours. We will try and do it as fast as possible, but in the worst case, we will resolve your queries in under 24 hours. We'll try and do it as fast as possible, just like our Gate course. Okay, cool. Now coming to the projects. Okay, so we will provide detailed videos for each of the 3 projects shortly. Now the 3 projects that we have here are, first is an IoT automated attendance system, where we will build a simple IoT system using concepts that we learned in computer organization, digital logic designs, and also some basic concepts of web services that we will learn in Python. Right? It's a simple IoT based automated attendance system. Similarly, we will build a simple desktop search. For example, on Windows, you can go to the find bar or search bar and type something there, right? So we will implement that from scratch using concepts. And again, you have to do this search very, very fast. So we will use concepts from operating systems, from data structures, algorithms, a little bit of concepts from theory of computation and compiler design, especially regular expressions, to solve this problem. The third problem or the third project that we will discuss is an e-commerce product recommendation system, where we will use concepts from primarily engineering mathematics and linear algebra and data structures on how to build a simple product recommendation that you see on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Walmart, Flipkart, etc. Okay, these are the 3 projects. Again, in the description section of this video, we will provide detailed videos which explains each of these projects in slightly more detail. Cool. Now again, this course, the Gate Plus Placement Prep, you will have the course for 18 months and 24 months, depending on where you are in your education or career, right? So for these 18 or 24 months, there are two variations. There is an 18-month course and a 24-month course. If let's assume you enroll for the 18-month course, for this 18 months, you will get access to all of our Gate concepts as well as the concepts from our placement prep. Right? So you'll have 18 months of course validity both for Gate and placement prep, or if you subscribe for the 24 months course, you'll get both Gate and placement prep again. Okay, cool. Now, what is optimal for whom? So the 18-month course is optimal for students who are in their 3rd year or final year of BTech. It's also optimal for working professionals and students who are in their long-term preparation. Because imagine you're in your 3rd year BTech, right? You can first prepare all the Gate concepts and parallelly, because you have 18 months, and parallelly learn all the programming skills required to crack job interviews and have a good set of projects in your resume. Again, you'll have to expand on the projects that we discuss, but we'll discuss these projects in a lot of detail. For the 24 months, okay, for the 24 months, this is more appropriate for students who are in their 3rd year BTech or 2nd year BTech, or people who are in their 1st year of MCA, because a lot of MCA students after they finish MCA do take Gate to get into their MTech programs, right? So the 24 months program is appropriate for students who are in their 2nd or 3rd year. 18 months is for people who are in their 3rd year, final year, working professionals, or students who are preparing long term for Gate. Okay, cool. Again, for each of these, for both the 18-month and the 24-month, we will give you a personalized plan or schedule. You can see it briefly on our website, something like this, on what is the order of subjects that you should follow, what is the order you should learn, and things like that. We will give you a detailed learning path based on whether you're a 2nd year student, 3rd year student, final year student, or a working professional, right? For the Gate Plus Placement Prep course. Okay, so if you're already enrolled for our Gate Applied course, you can always upgrade to this Gate Plus Placement Prep. There is a very simple way through which you can upgrade to this new course itself. Okay, so any questions you have about the Gate Plus Placement Prep course, please reach out to us at gate.appliedroutes.com. This is our website. There are phone numbers and emails listed there. Please reach out to us and we'll clarify and elaborate on any questions or queries that you might have. Hope this new course will help you better tackle Gate as well as your job interviews without having to make the trade-off.